Vibing AI just dropped, and here are 7 crucial things you absolutely need to know before diving in. If you're even remotely interested in getting ahead with AI, this is one you're going to want to stick around for. You can try Vibing AI completely free from the first link in the description. No credit card, no BS. And by the time we're done, you'll know if it's worth integrating into your workflow or just another shiny tool that overpromises. Let's get into it. First off, Vibing AI isn't just another chat assistant. It's a full-on AI productivity workspace designed for creators, solopreneurs, and marketers who want smart content without lifting a finger. The standout feature? You don't have to prompt it like ChatGPT. You select what you want: emails, carousels, hooks, sales pages, and it generates like it's already read your mind. Second, the UI is clean, ridiculously intuitive, and beginner-friendly. You don't need to know anything about prompting or copywriting. It's literally plug and play. And that makes it a game changer for non-techie users or busy entrepreneurs who just want results fast. Third, and this is huge, it auto-generates multi-format content. So if you start with a single idea, you'll get YouTube scripts, tweets, carousel posts, and email sequences, all from the same input. It's not just multi-use, it's multi-channel optimized. Now, here's something most people miss. Vibing AI learns from your preferences. That means the more you use it, the sharper and more aligned the outputs become. I tested this against some $300 a month enterprise tools, and Vibing held its own, especially considering you can start with zero cost. Next, let's talk collaboration. If you're working with a team or VA, you'll love that it has built-in tools for shared workspaces, version tracking, and even client-ready exports. It's rare to see this level of pro features in a newly launched AI tool. Also important, speed. It's fast, like open tab and go fast. There's no lag, and the output is often usable with minimal edits. If you've tried slower platforms, you'll know how crucial that is when you're batch creating. And lastly, the updates. The dev team is actively pushing new features. We're talking voice to content, better SEO optimization, integrations with Zapier, Notion, Shopify. It's growing into an AI OS for creators. And that open loop I promised earlier? There's a premium feature set coming that may completely change how you manage content across platforms. If you're someone who's constantly testing AI tools to improve workflow like I am, Vibing AI is worth your time, especially while it's free. You'll find my recommended AI tools, tested across thousands of hours, down in the description. Each one can be tried for free too. So go give Vibing AI a spin and see if it earns a spot in your stack.